Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get gold notes on Instagram. Before we start, hurry up and check out the suffrages under this video. So let's get started. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you get those gold notes that you see on your friends? Well, getting one is pretty simple. So what we need to do first is we need to open up Instagram here, and you want to go to your profile at the bottom right. Now, in here, what we need to do is we need to access our notes. So let's go and click on our notes here. And what we need to do is we need to click on the plus, or in this case, let's go and click on our note here, and let's go and click on leave a new note. So the thing here is for you to use the gold option here, you need to include a specific word. So those words actually includes gold, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, torch, or medal. So any one of those words could actually turn your thought bubble here or your node into gold, or making color gold. But the thing here is this feature is actually depends on the current event. So since we just had like the Olympics, it means that you could use it during Olympics or any kind of sports event out there. But currently, again, it depends on the season. So if you're trying to use it right now, it means or in this case, if you try using it, for example, I'm going to enter gold here, and you click on share here, so it doesn't turn your notes here into gold, because right now they've just removed the feature itself. So if you want to use it again sometime in the future, you just need to wait for them to enable it again, which is something really unfortunate. But then again, this is just an event thing, so you might or you might not be able to use it. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you use it. So you might be asking, how do you fully integrate it? So just use any one of the words that I mentioned before, like gold, Olympics, podium, victory, goat, a torch, or medal, any of one of those words, and use it in a sentence in your note here, and you should be able to turn this into gold. But then again, it's seasonal, and you might or you might not be able to use it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.